Hello, I will review DEWALT 12-inch miter saw, 15 amp, single bevel, compound, black. About this, stainless steel miter detent plate of 12-inch miter saw blade comes with 14 positive stops. The miter saw features a precise miter system and machined base fence support. Tall sliding fence of DEWALT miter saw supports 5-1/2 inch base vertically bevels 0 degree 48 degree to the left and 0 degree 3 degree to the right. Tool height 15 inch. Thanks for watching. Get best price and discount from link in description. See you next video.
Blah, 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 blah.